However, did you know that actions can receive parameters in XState 5? This feature can make your actions more reusable. We have a simple machine with two states. When the machine receives the toggle event, it goes to the other state and turns the lights on or off. Currently there are two actions, but it might be cool to combine them. I create a new action called turn lights. This is a function that takes, as usual, the context, the event for the first parameter, but the second will be params, and with TypeScript we can set it as an object with an active property being a boolean. And based on this parameter, we will set the lights on or off. Now in the transition, instead of using this string, we use an object with the type turn lights, and we set the params to be active true. We can do the same for the other transition, but set active to false. Now imagine that the toggle event expects some payload. We can use it to determine the parameters dynamically. Instead of using directly a static object, we define a function which takes the context and the current event. The type of the event is narrowed to the current transition event, so it will be the toggle. And then we can say active will be true if event.payload equals on.